First, unlock your Straight Talk phone so it can work on Visible's Verizon network. Contact Straight Talk customer service with your account details and IMEI to request the unlock code. It's free if you're eligible and usually takes 24-72 hours. Next, get your porting PIN from Straight Talk's app or customer support. This PIN is essential for transferring your phone number to Visible without losing it. Finally, activate your Visible service using either a physical SIM card, which is free from Visible, or for compatible phones like iPhones with iOS 15 or later, Google Pixels, and Samsung Galaxy models, use Visible's eSIM for instant digital activation by scanning a QR code. Confirm that the number transfer is complete within 24 hours. Your switch from Straight Talk to Visible is now ready. Visible has grown to over 10 million subscribers as of September 13th, 2025, offering a compelling alternative to Straight Talk with widespread 5G coverage across the United States. A major trend is eSIM adoption, with over 60% of Visible activations using eSIM for faster setup and dual SIM support, eliminating the need for physical SIM cards. Visible's unlimited data plan at $25 per month is driving adoption, with users reporting an average $15 monthly reduction in costs compared to other providers. AI-driven chatbots are making unlocking and PIN requests easier, providing instant assistance for device migration. Expect more automation in the future, along with personalized AI plans. One user case study showed a seamless switch saving $10 per month with instant 5G speeds using eSIM and unlocking through Straight Talk's online portal in just 2 days.